In this video, I'll show you how to bridge crypto between networks on Metamask. First, open Metamask and unlock your wallet. Make sure you have the cryptocurrency you want to bridge and a small amount of the network's native token to pay for gas fees. Next, click the Bridge button on the Metamask home screen. If you don't see it, make sure you're using the latest version of Metamask and that the Bridge feature is available for your account. Once you're on the Bridge page, choose the network you're sending funds from in the From field. Then select the destination network in the To field. After that, choose the token you want to bridge and enter the amount you want to transfer. Now, Metamask will display the estimated amount you'll receive, the network fees, and the estimated transfer time. Review all of the details carefully before continuing. If everything looks correct, click Review Bridge. Double-check the transaction details one more time, then click Confirm. Metamask will ask you to approve the transaction in your wallet. Review the gas fee, then click Confirm again. After submitting the transaction, wait for the bridge to process your transfer. Depending on the networks you're using, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer. You can monitor the progress directly in Metamask until the transaction is complete. Once the bridge finishes, switch Metamask to the destination network and verify that your tokens have arrived. If you don't see the token immediately, you may need to import the token into your wallet using its official contract address. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to bridge crypto between networks on Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.